dumating na siya. Tara! Okay, so we will unbox. Bawal akong QR. This is from Ugreen Group Limited. Bawal akong mga info. So, mala siya. Okay, so maybe unboxing my parcel. At dumating na siya. Tara! Okay, so the box is kinda napiko na siya. Hindi siya makita din. Napiko na siya. Okay, so this is transmitter. And this is plug and play. 50 meters. Okay. No app needed. Okay. So here's the back part. This is for gaming, home theater, education, conference, and urbanist. Kung magbawal na siya ang model. Okay, so here's to open. To open it. No, it opens. Ta-da! Very beautiful. This is from Ugreen. Okay. And this is the transmitter. The port is type C, pero this is the power power cable. This one is USB. Need pa ko adapter. I've got type C direct. Need kapag ko adapter. Oh come on. And this one is the nasya din eh. If you try to open, ito siya yung open. It's so beautiful. Nasya audio, VGA, HDMI, Type C. Pwede ka Type C, no? Pwede ka Type C to Type C. Type C is for power. Let me see the manual. Mabasa ko manual. Sorry guys, I often read manual if first time na ako gigamit ang kanyang device. Feel na ko ang manual is for power supply, Type C cable, Type C, USB. I hope pwede siya Type C to Type C. Hope so. Furniture siya. I have the HDMI to HDMI from Ugreen, of course. Take it from another brand. Nasad ko yung another audio. Nindot siya kay bagag naman. And we have, it's another Type C to USB. Feel na ko pang Type C is pang siya, power adapter. Okay, so wireless extender, transmitter, receiver. Okay, for number 1, pairing indicator. 2 is the pair or reset. Port lagi siya, power port. So need siya adapter to provide power. Here, so Type C is another port, power port. Ang output niya si HDMI lang, si VGA niya, si audio number 4. Si number 5, this is na skilled niya. Power reset siya. Reset button. And this one is number 6 is pairing indicator if nag-pair ba siya or wala. Okay, so I'll be testing this one the other day kay Lokoy TV din. So that's it, para siya. No need to read this one. Kaya because di ako na siya. Kaya yun na siya plug and play. So I need 2 ports gihapon. Hindi ko mag-graduate ko Hindi ko mag-graduate na ako sa kuan. I just need the ports. I'll be using the cable, these cables. I don't like that. I want to use direct pressure. Demanding. Oh, my cooling fan. Feel na po. Wala siya lang ko camera. Okay. Okay, thank you.